guys, welcome back to Avengers of Nathan and Ethan. Today I'm putting together a gingerbread tree. Look, it's this. Those who celebrate Christmas have a Merry Christmas. I like these. Oh, last year I had this.
What are some of the things that came in the packet?
Candy. It's like guns, so it's like chocolate.
More candy.
More candy.
More candy. Gingerbread cookies.
Ginger frosting. Last year I had frosting. It's kind of like a different one. So
Do you know what this is? This is the piping bag.
What the?
That's where you put the icing and its design.
Yeah. These are gumdrops. And these are stars. Colorful stars because look, it's colorful. Now I'm opening the pack.
Don't we have a tray to put it on?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
And then more icing.
Yeah, more icing. It's kind of like red. Cause look, it's red. My favorite color. Also,
So it's not frosting. You have icing.
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 Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Yes. Last year I kind of had this one.
Did you build a train last year though?
No, I built a gingerbread house, so.
Well, we couldn't find any this time, so
Yeah.
we settled for we were able to find a train.
Yeah.
So here we go. First step is to make a snip on the bag.
Yeah.
You have to get the bag ready because the icing is gonna be used.
For glue.
Yep, as the glue. Then the decorating tip.
Yeah.
Put that inside. Put it in. Put it all the way to the bottom.
That's not. Kind of like it.
You got it. There you go.
Okay.
Then
Step 2 is put the icing inside.
the entire pouch of the pre-mixed icing
Yeah.
into the decorating bag. So you're gonna hold it.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh, cream. Looks like cream to me.
What does it taste like?
I don't know because I didn't taste it
You
yet.
had icing before. Most cakes are made with icing. What do you think it tastes like? Is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it bitter? Which taste will icing have?
It tastes good.
It would be sweet because it's all sugar.
Yeah. It tastes like cake. Tastes like cake.
So it's
It's like cake to me.
we have some more.
Yeah.
We're not wasting any.
Yeah. In case we need some for our recipe.
Okay. That's about
Half.
that's all of it.
Yeah. What?
Hold it. Okay, so the next thing you have to do
Step 3.
is twist the back so it moves down.
Yeah.
Let's put this.
What's up? These kind.
Let's put this on the side.
Yeah.
Step 4.
We have to get these out.
You have to separate the panels.
Yeah. Now we have finished of the
The structure?
structure of the tree. Now I can add the decorations.
Let's see the train.
Yeah, 'cause look, it's beautiful. So I'm using the box for my guide.
Okay, using the box as inspiration.
Yeah, because I have to look at the front. So I want to. I can use this. This come in the pack. So
How about you put some candy right here?
oh yeah, it's showing you can put candy. Yellow. These candies, the small candy, these looks like head bobs. 'Cause look. Easy for me. It was fun because I wanted to add the candies. So
Are you gonna eat this now?
no, I'm going to eat it when it's Christmas.
You're gonna wait till Christmas? I doubt it. It's pretty, or it's too pretty to eat now.
Yeah.
How it tastes?
Hmm?
How does it taste?
Good. Like and subscribe.